the question for our panellists is broadcasting helping or hindering Te Reo? Well, joining me is the broadcaster and chairman of the Māori radio station network Te Whakaruruhau, Willie Jackson. Paora Maxwell, TVNZ's general manager of Māori programming. Kathy Jews, who's on the board of Māori television. Māori journalist and tutor for Te Reo New Zealand under Tapiata. Te Taura Whiri commissioner, Te Awanuiarangi Black. And independent producer and incidentally producer of the GC, Bailey Mackey. Kia ora koutou. All right, Willie, let's start with you. Willie, is broadcasting hindering or helping Te Reo?
Is broadcasting helping the Te Reo Māori? Well, obviously it has. Just look at ngā reo irirangi Māori. E tika ki te mihi ki ngā reo irirangi Māori, mō tā rātou kaha ki te tautoko tō tātou reo mai te tīmata. So Māori radio has done the job. It's the unsung hero. But see, it's not about that. It's about the whole strategy. It's the Māori language broadcasting strategies up the wop. No one knows when to speak Māori or when to speak English. The whole strategy is so stupid, they fund a program like Mr. Ed with Scotty Morrison on it before... so they fund Mr. Ed, Scotty Morrison, before a kaupapa show in English about Māori people, about Māori lives. It's about telling our stories. See, that's the problem. It's the actual broadcasting strategy. And if you're going to fund Mr. Ed all the time, you know, we're up the wop.
Okay, Paora Maxwell, your response to that?
Well, I mean, you know, it's kind of academic. Broadcasting is a very powerful medium. We know that. We know that people are watching more television than they were 12 years ago, and we know that they're watching for longer. So I think the question is more about how more potent broadcasting could be to support the efforts of the rejuvenation of Te Reo Māori. I think we could be much more potent than we are. You know, 25 years ago, if you think about what we had then, though, you know, I remember standing in a protest outside TVNZ in Dunedin with a banner that said, "Give us 5 minutes." You know, so from that time to now, where we have a very wide network of Māori radio, we have our core Māori programs on our mainstream channels, which are very important to support Te Reo, and we have Māori TV established.
TVNZ behind you, do you feel supported?
Absolutely. You know, TVNZ has a Māori content strategy, and TVNZ has been the home of Te Reo Māori in television broadcasting for 25 years.
Anna, you laughed a little just then. Why is that? Do you agree?
Ko tana tautoko ki tana tari. Koina te take. Kai au, kai te whakaaro au tautoko taupari rānei. E hia kēnā mano I mātakitaki I te kēmu whaitoa o te poi tarawhiti I nanahira. I te mutunga māriki noa nā mihi o te kaihautu ki te tīma pai o te ao. Engari I whakahuatia mai ko Waikato Bay Cleaning. Anō hoki nā mihi ki te kaiako kia Nolene Turua. Me taku aroha ki te whānau mikaere no Ngāti Piki au. I kariro mai te metara kaura ki tā rātou tamaiti mokopuna a Irana. Ka pānui hea mai tōna ingoa e te tangata kuare, ka mea mai Irena Marae.
So are you saying then...
Nā reira kāre I te pai tō rātou mahi ki te tautoko I te reo rangatira.
So do we need to take it back a step? We need to get what pronunciation better first before we look at injecting more reo into broadcasting.
Ko te reo, ko te whakahua, ko te reo.
Aye, okay. Kathy, your response?
I actually agree with Willie. We are up the wop. But what the good thing is that we've gone from being I te pō, kua haere, kua kauneke haere, ki tētahi atu wāhi, kei reira te reo, e kōrerotia ana, kei reira ngā mea pāpāho, e tautoko ana, e hanga ana I te tai ao tautoko I te reo Māori. Hoi anō, the reason why we're up the wop is because the strategy has not been determined by Māori. Other people are determining the strategy, and we need to get the strategy back to us, and we need to be adequately resourced to put that strategy, give
Yeah,
it
it's
effect.
interesting in the Y262 report. I think it was said that the Māori language strategy was designed in a bureaucratic comfort zone. So what needs to happen?
Bring it back to iwi Māori. And this is
How do
precisely...
you do that? What does that mean?
Well,
What would that
this is
look like?
precisely what Te Paepae Motuhake advocated, that we have Te Mātāwai, which is Māori elected leaders of Māoridom who sit alongside a Minister of Māori Affairs. And we have $600 million plus in the control, joint control of the Māori treaty partner and the government treaty partner.
So what would that mean for TVNZ then, in your view?
I would imagine that TVNZ then would be able to do more programming with more funding, which is more appropriate for Māori, in the same way as Willie has talked about. Mr. Ed, or
You went off Mr. Ed, were you?
quality kaupapa programs from iwi,
Aye. Bailey, you seem to have a particular interest in injecting more Māori into mainstream programming. Whether or not the GC is achieving that is perhaps a bit arguable.
You don't think so?
Seems to be advancing any other language but Reo. What's the
Touchy, you've been
net, for
touchy.
example?
Yeah.
We're seeing another language, I think, developing out of the GC. You have...
Ka pai, auntie.
Yeah, kia ora, Nef. So what do you see needs to happen to... I mean, you've said you want to see the GC produced with Te Reo.
Well, I think it's important that we make programming that's relevant to the growing demographic. And one of the things is I don't think we can be so ignorant as to think that we can create a castle and people come running. So in that, I think something like the GC probably talks to a younger demographic in a language that they understand, albeit that it's a mishmash of English, Māori and hybrid, something else, I don't know. But I think I agree with tautoko I ngā whakarua Willie me tērā o oku kōka. I think broadcasting needs to feed into a much more cohesive Māori language sector strategy, and I think it needs to be three things. I think it needs to be simple, it needs to be bold, and it needs to be innovative. And I think we shouldn't be afraid to actually put a number on that. Like I'm a big person on accountability, and I think that we should be so bold to say as we want 100,000 fluent speakers of Māori by the year 2040. Now, but even more than that, to answer the question, I think that broadcasting is helping Te Reo, but I think it could be doing better. And I'd like to see a better alignment between Māori TV and TVNZ, and perhaps a bit more of an understanding of where each other sits on the broadcast sort of spectrum.
Sure. Te Awanuiarangi, so Te Taura Whiri was set up to make Māori a more sort of daily means of communication. Has Te Taura Whiri accessed broadcasting mediums effectively in doing this?
Tuatahi mihi kene nei ki te tepu e noho nei. Me te tautoko i ngā kōrero a tēnei taha, me te tei wāhanga o tēnā taha, e pāna ki te tā ki te pāpāho, kātahi. He wāhi tōna. Koina te whakatauki, he riri tā te tawa uho, he riri anō tā te tawa para. Ara he painga kai roto, ai tēnā wāhanga, i tēnā wāhanga. Mo te tā ki te pāpāho, e hoki anau i te tautoko i ngā kōrero a Bailey, ina, ko te reo e hia tiana, ko tahirau mano, tāngata Māori, ne? I mā takitaki the GC. Ne? I mā takitaki the GC. Aha kua pai kia Willie rānei, kua korohe ke raua Willie.
Pai ki ngā tāngata katoa.
Pai ngā tāngata katoa. Ko te painga e mā takitaki ngian. Ki te kore mā takitaki ngia, kāre he take. Aha kua reo Māori, reo Pākehā. Nō reira me pehe te waihanga hōtaka e kōingo nuitia e te ngākau Māori, e te ngākau rangatahi, e te ngākau tamariki. Kātahi ka aro mai, hangaia te whira, was it Kevin Costner?
Field of Dreams.
Field of Dreams, yeah.
Yeah.
Build the field and they will come.
And they will come,
And kei kona pia tētahi rongoa.
Okay. Willie, is the GC being a force for good for Māori broadcasting?
You know, there's a lot of elitism and racism over the GC, you know. I supported Bailey and myself and John right from the start. I don't like the GC, but, you know, but Bailey
You're in the minority, Willie.
You know, Māori don't have to make masterpieces every time they do something. We don't have to make the whale rider every time we do something. We don't have to do Once We're Warriors. Good on Bailey for doing what he's doing. One thing with this language debate, it's not just about the language. It's about tikanga, it's about kaupapa, it's about our people. That's what this is about.
The truth is, you know, things have to pay for themselves these days, don't they, Willie?
No, yeah, of course we have to. Well, the GC is going to be paying for itself. But what I'm saying is, see, I don't agree with respect with what Kathy and them want to do. Obviously, Māori have to make change, but the change has got to come at government level. This language has to be made compulsory. And all the excuses that Tamahere and his cousin come out with, you know, if you make it compulsory, they will prioritise it. They will find the teachers. They will find the pūtea. That's why you make it compulsory.
Right.
Koere te huarahi tika mo tātou te iwi Māori.
I mean, we're all forced to learn maths and science, aren't we?
Right.
And if we're
and
like
English,
me, we don't ever get quite on board with it, but we do it because we're told we have to. How do you think Māori TV and TVNZ are doing in their delivery of Māori interest in broadcasting?
O ko tāku whakaro, i te ohorere au, te taimai e konei me te whakarongo kai te reo rua, te wakahuia, i te rātapu, me rāhui tātou i nā wāhanga reo Māori, mo te hunga e whai ake ana i te reo rangatira. Ana, hea te take, kai te reo rua, te wā, o te wakahuia, e taku tungane.
E taku tuahine. You know, it's part of the wider cause is that we want more people watching our programs. That is the baseline for us.
You don't want just Māori, you want everyone.
We want
watching.
everybody. You know, in the same way that 86,000 Māori watch the GC and about 9,000 Māori watch Te Reo on a daily basis. You know, we want to share this language, we want to share this culture with more people, not less. We don't want to make it the culture or the language of the elite. We want to share this reo rangatira with all New Zealanders. And just on the point around strategies, you know, any broadcasting strategy will not work isolated to an education strategy, isolated from a general New Zealand strategy. New Zealand, Aotearoa, needs a strategy for Te Reo Māori and a strategy that combines other strategies around broadcasting and education.